Hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to convert files into PDF and how you can convert a PDF file into Word, Excel, PowerPoint or any other files. So many of them having a doubts that how can we, if we are creating a file in Word or Excel, how we can make it into PDF, especially CVs, resumes, everything. If it will be in the PDF, it will look good when compared to Microsoft Word or whatever it is. So you are preparing a CV and you want to be to be present in a unique feature, and if you want to present in a good way, you have to convert better. You can convert the Microsoft Word file into PDF file. Okay, so how we can do this? And not only that, some of them are having some doubts how we can save the tally files, for example the tally report files into PDF. So first I will show how you can make a PDF file from tally reports. So if you are going to see, I'm taking a sales register. Okay, I want to save a file in PDF. So this is the Big Bazaar sales. Okay, if you open this one, this is the sales bill. Okay, this I want to be saved in a PDF file. So how you can do? Just click Alt E. It means Alt Export. So this window will come. Voucher report language, default all languages, XML data chart, C program files, everything is there. Export is no, everything is there. So now you can click no. Okay, because you want to save it in PDF file. So if first it is showing default all languages, just enter and come to other format step. So there are a lot of files. You can save it in a different format: ACC, Excel, spreadsheet, HTML, JPG, PDF. Now you want to save it as PDF. So just enter PDF and see the export location where if it is saved, where it will be the file where we can find it. So that's the path here. See program files, tally ERP9, accounting voucher, everything is there. Okay, so if the page says A4, you can give portrait, everything is there. Just put enter, and if you want to make any correction in this output file name, you can make it. Okay, accounting voucher is there already, it was a defaulted one. So just open exported file, yes, then export yes or no, yes. Overwrite, because already there was a file in the name of accounting voucher. Just there it is asking warning overwrite. It should overwrite, so I want to overwrite it. If you don't want to overwrite, just put a name or anything else, just rename it. So I don't want to overwrite this, so just enter no. So again it will go to default, enter, and here accounting voucher you can give any other name instead of accounting voucher, because accounting voucher file is already there, so it will overwrite. So I don't want to overwrite, so I am just typing as sales voucher .pdf. Okay, enter, and yes, now it has been filed in PDF. So it is under process, so it will show the PDF file once if it is saved. See, now it has been saved into PDF. So you can see this logo of this PDF file. Okay, now the sale voucher is this is the tax invoice. See, I have filed in PDF file. It look good, no? So you can easily take printout of it also, no problem. Okay, you can save it and everything. This is the PDF file of a sales voucher. I hope you have understood this one. Okay, now I'm closing this file. Now the next step, the tally, right now you know how to save it in PDF file. Now I want some of the files which is already in Microsoft Word that should be converted into PDF. How we can do this? So the site is there, one famous site is there, that is called I Love PDF. Here it is, I Love PDF online PDF tools. So in this, if you go to this website, you can see a lot of options are there. you can convert a PDF file itself into Microsoft Word file or Microsoft Excel file, Microsoft PowerPoint. And if the file is in Microsoft PowerPoint or Word or Excel, that can be converted into PDF also very easily. See, this is the website which is called ilovepdf.com. Merge PDF is there, split PDF, compressed PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint. See, this is the PDF to Word. Already there's a file in PDF that we can convert into Word. Here it is PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, Word to PDF. Now there is a file which has already been saved in a Word that can be converted to PDF. See, now I want to convert a Word file into PDF. How we can do? So go to straight directly to Word to PDF. Just click it. Select Word files. The Word files which you want to make convert PDF, just select the Word files from your system. It will take some time because the process is going on. Select Word files. Now you are going to select the files what you want to make. So see here there are a lot of other Word files are there. Now for example, say you can select any one. Okay, I will select this one, the DINCV1. Okay, open. This is the Word file which I have selected to convert it as PDF. The Word file has been selected. This is the file, and here the right hand side you can see convert to PDF option. Just click it. So it is converting Word file into PDF. So it will take some few minutes. Okay, so you should wait for that. So after finishing the processing, you can see here download PDF. What happened? The Word file has been converted PDF within few seconds. It has not taken too much time also. So it is very easy. You can do all those works, all those words you can convert it to PDF. So just click this download PDF. So here you see that the PDF file has been downloading here. Now you can open and see it, the difference of PDF and Word file. Now see. So it is taking too much time. No problem. So this is the way you can do. Okay, just wait for a few minutes. See what's coming. So this process is taking too much. No problem, you can wait, but the work is over. See, now it is how it look next. When comparing to Word, if you are submitting CV in a PDF file, it will look good and the finishing will be very nice and very impressive also. So I will suggest all of you, if you want to make a CV, just convert into PDF file and submit it. Okay, that will be better for you. So I hope that you can understand. I have understood this one. Now I am going to convert this PDF file into Word. How we can make? See, just go to the download PDF file. See, now I want to make PDF file. Before what we have done, from Word file to PDF we have converted. Okay, now I am going to convert the PDF file into Word. So here you can select PDF to Excel is there. So just drag it, PDF to Word. See, this is the one, PDF to Word. Just click it, select the PDF file. You have to select the PDF file from the system. Now you are going to select the PDF file here. So this is the PDF file. Open it. So it has been selected. The PDF file has been selected. Now you want this PDF file to be converted into Word. Just click the convert to Word. The PDF file is going to convert into Word. Now download the Word file. It has been just downloading now. See, this is the one. Just click it. Just remember the site. This is ilovepdf.com. Okay, it's very important for you if you are making any official documents or whatever it is, and you are, for example, if you are making a quotation or anything for a client, it will be better in submitting PDF. Okay, if some of them will be preparing in Microsoft Word and you will be submitting to them. So when they are opening the file in Microsoft Word in the system, the alignment will be varying. So the alignment, it will not look good. So but especially if it is a quotation or whatever it is, so better you can convert into PDF and you can submit it to the clients, so it will be better. Okay, now you see the Word, there are some errors showing. No, it's not a problem. You can select it from here. Just go open downloads. From the downloads you can pick the converted file. Okay, hope you would understand this option. So use it for your future. Okay, thank you.